Hi everybody, Mahesh here. So in today's video, I will go over three main items. First, I will review the last three stocks that I picked. I created those videos, I shared in my channels. I will review those stocks just to see where are they today. It's been over a week and a half when I created those videos. Second, I have picked Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE, as the company that I will analyze today, and I will provide my viewpoint whether it's a good buy or not. Third, I will give you an update on when we are launching Outlier and when you guys can sign up for that and get to see the same data that I look to make my decisions. So let's start with first TransUnion. So I created this video, if you guys can remember, on January 28th. Let me try to point here. So I created this video, and by the way, I own VeriSign and TransUnion, but I do not own Verisk that I talked on February 4th. So I bought these two stocks on January 27th, I believe, 27, 28, around that time frame. So let's see where these stocks are right now and what our data is saying about these stocks. So I'll pick up TransUnion as an example today. So TransUnion, so I bought it somewhere around here, and as you guys can see, I bought in at this red zone, which is, I call it as buying zone, and the oscillator has started to go up, which is also a good sign. So I think I got in at the right time. Let's look at the price for TransUnion. So my cost basis was somewhere around $88 and some cents. You can check that in my last video. Right now it's at $92. So I would say in last week we can have it's a 4% move, not bad. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna still hold on to it, because I am expecting that it will continue to go up, and I'll probably sell hopefully in next few weeks. Second, let's look at the VeriSign stock. So I bought in at $196 and I guess 70 cents or something. Right now it's again at $204. I'm expecting the price to go up. So again, it was I believe a good decision to buy at that point of time. Verisk. So when I created the video, again, I do not own Verisk. When I created the video around February 4th, the price was somewhere around $187. So it's been probably a week. The price is inching toward $190. I know it was up earlier today, but it's inching toward that price point. So good to see that it's kind of trickling up. And again, if I show my data here, I created that video on February 4th, and from that point onward it was a dark reddish here, and apparently that was a buying zone, and still I think it's kind of a buying zone, but the price has started going up. This oscillator is kind of the directionality to it, it's going up. So I feel like in coming weeks, less than a month, it will go up more, and I will share probably in next few videos when I feel that it's time to either get out or what our data is saying at that point of time. So again, this was the review of the three videos that I created. Let's jump into Pfizer. So it's an interesting company. I mean, interesting in many ways. Like, this company has been losing money, by the way. If I just pull their revenues, profits, I mean, the company's revenue, like, for the quarter ending December 31st 2020, like, there's 7.91% decline year over year. Same goes for trailing 12 months. It has been in decline. But the good news here for Pfizer is they have one of the competing vaccine for coronavirus. And so if I just check the news, what's going on, like lot of countries are buying their vaccine. Even United States government has ordered a lot of doses already, and I personally know people who got their shot, Pfizer shot. So I think it is going to go up in my opinion, but in last 2 months, if you see the Pfizer stock, there has been a pullback. you know uh, it has been going down and down and down. And someone may ask, okay, now there are a lot of demand of their coronavirus shots, where the price is looking, do you think it's a good time to buy or not? So what I am going to do, I'm just going to look at first our data, what it is saying. So Pfizer, as you can see, it has been on decline. Like this is the December 9th I'm seeing, and this is by the way price chart, and the blue zone is that the price is kind of in that sell range. So from that point onwards, the oscillator is kind of coming down, and it has been in this buying zone for quite a long time. But the interesting thing here is it has started to plateau. So if I have to make a decision, if I have money that I can, if I have to buy a Pfizer stock, then I will start possibly buying some of them today, tomorrow, like in next few days, and I won't, be in a bad position, at least what I'm seeing here, because I feel like the stock is probably gonna go up. I look at what some of the other analysts, what kind of target they are giving right now. It's at $34 and some cents. The target I'm kind of consistently seeing is between that $39 to like $42 in near future, and I feel like this stock is probably gonna go up with news more than the actual health of the company, because lot in healthcare sector, if you have seen, it takes a lot of research, lot of they have to put a lot of money before they can find a solution to a problem, medicine for a certain disease. So it takes that period is long. They have to put a lot of money, and in most cases the price goes up when you see some approvals happening. They already have the approval. Right now we probably see some negative news in the news channel as well regarding this company. Some people are complaining that okay, it's not working for certain strains of virus and so on and so forth. But I look at the news, there has been a lot of demand, and I believe they are going to sell a lot of vaccines. And right now the price is low enough for personally me to buy, but I'm not buying right now. If I have to make that decision in next few days, I'll probably buy when I see a little bit more dip, and in near future there is a very high chance that it will go up. And again, I will create the review video in coming weeks to see whether I was right or not. So the third thing I wanted to share about Outlier. Outlier is spelled as OVTLYR.com. So we are almost there, probably a couple of weeks away before we can, make it available for you to sign up. As as I said, that it's the same data that I look to make decisions when is the good time to buy a stock or not. Right now we cover over 1,000 plus single names, and our focus is not penny stocks or micro caps. We focus on most liquid assets on the market. We start from mega caps, large caps, mid caps. That's kind of we cover, and the quality of data is really great. As you can see, I'm using it to trade with my own money. It will be a free pilot, and I will create a video once it's available. So Thanks again guys for watching my video, and please let me know if you have any questions or comments on these companies, VeriSign, Verisk, or TransUnion, or even Pfizer. I would love to hear your thoughts, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thanks a lot.